So he fattened me up. And I'm here with you, devoted to us.
You weren't devoted too much.
Wow.
Let's think about it. You wasn't devoted too much.
You're so petty.
I'm not
You're
petty.
so petty. Yeah. You're so petty, like...
Call it what you want.
Here's your sister, Brittany.
We played a game of Uno, dumbass Uno, and then all the things. Next thing I know, we go to the dispensary, we smoke a blunt, you know, the blue dream. So we start smoking, and he's telling me, "Oh, you're the better sister.
Upgrade.
Oh, you look better than her. You're nice. All she does is nag."
She's the upgrade.
Like that's not my fault.
She's
you
the
gotta
upgrade.
get it together to keep your man.
I gotta get it. No, you gotta get it together. Get your own man. Get your own man. Get your own man. Okay. Yeah,
I can't help it.
All right.
I can't help it.
Okay.
You know how much our relationship means to me.
And I care about you. I love you. I did it for you.
How did you do that for me, Brittany?
If he did it with our niece, and then he's gonna do it with me, you're gonna leave him anyway.
It doesn't matter. That's for me to decide.
You don't want to be with him.
You can't tell me what I want.
But she is your sister.
She is.
You must have known that sleeping with my sister's husband is wrong.
It's wrong, but I have feelings too.
Oh.
I have a child. I go through stuff, you know what I mean? I've been single.
Do you want to be with him?
I'm the younger Brittany. I'm Brittany. I already have to live
You're the younger
this.
Brittany. Exactly.
So I need my own.
Your own, exactly, not mine.
He's
not
not
mine.
yours.
He is
He's
mine.
not yours.
He is mine. Don't get this all around. You want me like that? I'm the big sister. I'm the big sister. Just standing over there being quiet. Don't think this is all on her.
Who is Lazadia? Who's Lazadia Barbie? Come on out, Lazadia. Well, who is... Wait a second. I get it.
Who is that?
Lazadia, she is your accountant.
Wow, Joey. This is what you got going on?
No, you're not. What are you? Oh.
Who the she?
She's a stripper I met when I went out with my boys. You know, she was there counseling, talking to me, giving me...
She's a stripper, not a counselor.
I cannot believe
She
it.
don't look at just $1. You know what I mean? We actually...
So what do you have going on with my husband?
Well,
is the question.
I didn't even know that he was your husband, to be honest with you. He didn't tell me anything about you.
Okay, so you didn't even know he was married.
I didn't know nothing. Like,
So now you denying me in these streets? You want to run around being a hoe and then not even tell him that you married?
I'm gonna be honest, she's more of an upgrade than both of y'all. Hold on. The kicker is...
And the guy went on a date with has a job.
Hold on.
And the guy went on a date with has a job.
And I had sex with her as well.